What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And you need to help me, or let me help you, whichever one comes first, chicken or the egg. You might be looking for your next Chinese smartphone. I say Chinese because more and more these days, less phones are coming to the Western market. Europe, the US are missing out on some very, very important and pioneering phones, so we have to resort to importing them. Well, as you know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, I am a huge fan of importing phones. I tell you how to buy them, set them up, everything in between. But I'm on my next one. I'm currently using the Samsung S23 Ultra to film. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but there's a gap. I've no foldable phone, and I've no Chinese candy bar style phone. What's that all about? So, in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the new and exciting and some upcoming devices, and ultimately you are going to tell me which phone I should buy next. Let's go. So here we are on one of my most trusted Chinese import sites. Now remember, if you've seen any previous videos, I do have 4 or 5 absolute 100% guaranteed trustable suppliers. That's Wanda Mobile, Gizstop, Blue Iode, Trinity Electronics and Trading Shenzhen. 5 companies that I use regularly to import my devices. Anyway. On the Wanda homepage, which granted could be better, Gizstop and Blue Iode have better homepages in my opinion. But on Wanda, you can see here, they now have the OPPO Find X6 and Find X6 Pro. Now, as you're probably aware, the Find X6, as pretty as it looks, is not the one for me. But the Find X6 Pro is. Now, like on any of the listings, as you can see here, these are Chinese versions with Google Play installed. What Wanda do is open the device, install Google Play, set your phone up, and then it's good to go. So you can see here that there's limited stock. It takes 2 to 3 working days to process. Wanda are very, very quick and efficient at getting this device sent out to me. The only disappointing thing I can see here is there's only one colour. And I really like that black and white or black and silver colour. So let's see if the 512GB variant has, yes, that's the one for me. So look at that, vegan leather and aluminium frame. And so I'm trying to zoom in here, $1,119. Quick maths, that's around £1,000 including delivery fees. I'm in for that. So that's choice number 1, the OPPO Find X6 Pro with its triple camera setup. It's got 50 megapixel lenses all round, brand new Sony IMX sensors, a 3 times optical zoom. However, because of the size of the sensor, it's actually technically a 6 times optical zoom. And as I say, that colour looks fantastic. So that's choice number 1, but let's keep going. Now it's important to stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you could benefit from choosing my phone. I will be selling whichever one you choose for me to buy to you at a heavily discounted rate. Keep watching. Another thing that Wanda do, that I've not seen in other ones, but they'll probably have them if I look around properly, is they've got the Honor Magic 5 Pro Ultimate Edition. Now, that all sounds very cool. Ultimately, it's the same... do you get the pun? Ultimately. It's the same specs, but this is 16 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes of storage, and it's all for, again, roughly £1,000, and that is the Honor Magic 5 Pro. Now, if you've seen any comparison videos, you'll know that the camera tech on this is fantastic. The OPPO and the Honor are both over 6.8 inches in display. Super, super impressive. Now, you can see here in this description, this is without Google Play Store. So with the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate, they do not install it for you. They don't touch the box because that is going to be a special unboxing. And again, look at the colours. Probably go the black one. It looks like they've got like gold accents. Yeah, that black with a gold accent and the Honor and round the camera ring looks really, really good. And it looks like the black, yeah, it's like a vegan leather feel as well. So there's two choices so far. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button because you enjoy watching me. I enjoy thinking you're watching me. Remember, like and comment too. The VIVO X90 Pro Plus, sorry. Again, Chinese variant, $1,049, so probably around £900 including delivery fees. And that is for the red 256GB version. Again, triple camera setup, 3.5 times optical zoom, 6.8 inch screen. You can see the specs here. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 across all of the options I've shown you so far. Android 13 and the latest skins on all of them. That's Oxygen, Ocean, and I can't remember what Honors is called, but it's the latest skin. So, three choices, candy bar style. What do we think? So there we had it. I have three choices. I can only afford to buy one. However, the one I choose will purely be for unboxing, setup, review purposes. I will then be selling it on. So, because you are trusted, loyal, beautiful viewers and subscribers, as you know, I sell my devices on at a better rate. Whichever phone you choose for me, you're choosing it for me. So that's the OPPO Find X6 Pro, the Honor Magic 5 Pro Ultimate, or the VIVO X90 Pro Plus. Whichever one you choose, I will sell 1 month after receiving it for $200 cheaper than I paid. That is a good deal. To confirm, you're getting any one of those phones shipped to you, that's including delivery, for $200 off what I paid at retail. So choose wisely, because the phone you pick for me is the phone you could be getting. Hence, help me help you. So what do we think? Let me know in the comments if it's an OPPO, VIVO or Honor. I will look through all the comments, and whoever wins from 1 week today, no, scrap that, I'm impatient. Whoever wins from 24 hours from today is the phone I'll decide to buy. So you have 24 hours, majority wins. That's been that. Thank you very much for watching. I will follow up in a day or two with the results of the poll, essentially, and I will obviously keep you updated and give you that unboxing and review and setup of my new imported phone. Until then,